water falls. Okay, let's just pull the tab.
So what are you going to do in the video today?
I am going to be opening up this awesome golden egg.
Mystery egg. Let's see the theme.
Glue.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
You ready to see what's inside?
Yeah, I'm going to use combo. Whoa!
One thing at a time.
Whoa! Pokemon! Meow. Ooh, yay! And this penguin guy, I don't know.
Poplio. I think
Poplio.
Actually, no, it's not Poplio. I don't remember the name.
Yeah.
The name's right there. Right in the middle right there because I don't know, so I'll just write it right there. That's what it is.
Comment down below what's his name. And this penguin guy. And Squirtle! Yeah. Charmander! Yeah, this is not my favorite Pokemon, but still Charmander.
So yeah.
Everyone's favorite Pokemon.
So guys, let's open up this thing. 3, 2, 1. Psh.
What's this? Okay, it's tucked in. Pikachu! Pika! My favorite Pokemon. Okay, so we're gonna make a cool Pokemon movie. And here it is.
Go.
Brodie, come eat your dinner!
But Mom, I'm making a Pokemon movie.
I don't want to hear any buts, so I'm gonna spank yours!
Okay then.
Dang Pokemon!
Eric! Charmander, I choose you! Okay. Charmander, use fire power!
Penguin person, use water power. And we're at equal health. Open.
Charmander, use fire whack. Pikachu, I choose you!
Pikachu, use electric attack.
Pikachu, use lightning tail!